Well, hello again, students, and welcome to another lesson using www.sketchup.com free. And this is the fourth installment in a series of 4 where I'm constructing a construction set toy, and this will just be the finishing up by adding more screws and finalizing my final image. Navigate to the SketchUp landing page, move to the upper right where you see the person icon, select my apps, and you're navigating to the free version or you already have it open. Launch. There's a familiar red logo. And there's my construction set car. I'm going to open it, which is where I left off. And I'm going to make sure that I'm in parallel projection front view. Parallel front view. And in order to add screws, in this case, I want to add one here, one on the back, and 2 on the other side. So in this case, I can just go Control C, Control V, copy that screw, Control V a second time. And then I can grab the move tool and move it. Let's see if I can get it to snap. Like in this case, I found that I snap it right there, and maybe look at it from top view and pull it directly this way. Oops, that's probably too far out, actually. Pull it back. I believe I put that in the right place. Nope. So it looks to me like it needs to be moved in just a bit. There. Okay. The next step is to grab another screw with the select tool and then move it into position right up there and bring it down. And I believe it could snap possibly right to this. There we go. That looks nice. Rotate it and verify. It does look like it's in the wrong plane, so I gotta grab the move tool, and move it into the right plane. And then once again, look at it from multiple views to verify that it's in the right place. Well, I can always copy this screw, Control C, Control V, look at it from the right view, use the rotate tool because I want to rotate this, go straight across. I need to rotate it all the way around. And then let's just put it in the back view, select it, go Control C, Control V, need 2 of those. And I'm going to grab one, place it right here. Well, I need to push it back in a tiny bit, I believe. Oh, there we go. It's hard to ascertain whether I've got this in the right place or not, but in this case, let's just work with the second screw. Pull it out. I don't think there's an exacting science to this methodology. I'm just simply manipulating the screws to get them into the right locations. And let's just see if we can get them to snap into proper positions. There, grab a corner. When in doubt, seems grab a corner is the best policy in these. There. Look at them top view. There we go. And finally, I want to add one more screw. So I can select this one, Control C, Control V, look at it from top view. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees so that I can position it at the end of my car. 1, 2. Okay, it's selected. Don't allow it to rotate. When in doubt, you can always use the Control Z. Position is here. Corner. Look at it from top view. That appears to be the right place, and let's just orbit around and look. This particular screw looks like it's a little too far in. Try to look at it from the bottom view. Grab this. Just Control Z. I'm going to select your screw first, then the move tool. All right, I believe I position the screws in a reasonably natural looking fashion. At this point, what I want to do is put it back in parallel projection. I mean, perspective projection, so that I can get a nice natural look. Orbit the view. Make sure you go to the Scenes tab and delete the checkbox next to the axis, and make sure you select shadows. Manipulate your shadows to a day and time. Gives it a nice look. Use the pan tool to center your vehicle. Save it. And then export as PNG. Don't forget to hit the blue button at the bottom right. When it appears down the bottom left, it says construction set car down there, so I can go to my downloads folder, verify that it's there. That indeed is the image that I want to turn in for assignment credit. I hope you enjoyed working with this. It's very challenging, but good luck.